What's going on, guys? Here's my run and gun sports videographer kit for 2024. Let's get right into it. We're going to start off with the Sony a7S III main camera build. So for the cage of the camera, I'm using the small rig master kit with a V-mount battery plate and a base plate with rod clamps. The V-mount battery helps you shoot a full day without having to change any batteries. The camera can shoot up to 4K 120 FPS, which for sports is amazing if you want to get slow motion reels or anything slow motion and extreme slow motion. On top of all of this, for the top mount, I use a small round grip with the Atmos Ninja monitor and with the additional batteries on the back. This is super amazing, and just having that low grip to get those low angles is amazing for different sorts of sports.